In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a retirement goal in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the Forecast tab, then click Add Events or Customize. From there, select Retirement to start setting up your goal. This is where you can adjust how you want your retirement to look based on your lifestyle. Next, you'll see a Retirement Lifestyle slider. You can choose between different spending levels depending on how you want to live in retirement. For example, frugally is around $2,800 per month. Reasonably is about $3,700. Recommended matches your current lifestyle at $4,600, and lavishly goes up to around $5,500 per month. After choosing your preferred lifestyle, enter your target retirement age. You can adjust this based on your personal plan and timeline. Once everything looks right, just click Save. Origin will then update your forecast and show you whether you're on track for your retirement goal or if you need to adjust your savings or investments. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.